I just woke up, and I can't believe it. The floor is full of water. No, it's worse than that. My kitchen is knee-deep in dirty water. What can I do? I got to get to work, and the kids have to get to school. What am I going to do? I need help. Right now. I can't wait for weeks, days, or even hours.
Now is the time when you wish your plumbing business was ranked on the first page of Google. This must happen a few times a week in your business area, and it must be fairly expensive to fix that kind of problem. If you're the local plumber who gets this call, you got to feel good for being able to help the homeowner. But this kind of job helps to build your reputation. It surely helps to pay the bills and put some needed funds in the bank for whatever you need. Let Rank Me First put your plumbing business where these and other types of jobs come your way. We will only help one plumber in this area, so don't miss your opportunity. Ask yourself, what is a ranking on page 1 of Google worth to you? It won't be long you'll be singing Rank Me First, where business is good at the top. Call now 603-817-0165.